So this is Jerusalem, Israel, everyone. Peaceful Jerusalem. We want love and peace, not war. Prayer for peace and world peace, everyone. Napakaganda ng kalangitan, maaliwalas. Naway magtuloy-tuloy na yung ganitong kapayapaan ng bonggang-bongga. So today is day 12, I think. Day 12 or day 13.